again. I've been having some issues recently. It's been heating up randomly when it has no reason to. I've been working on it, trying to figure out what's up. I changed the radiator, put a new radiator in. I flushed the cooling system. It's been what, 3 times now. Got it all cleaned out. I just put this radiator in last Monday, about a week ago. The radiator seems to be cooling fine. The top radiator hose gets warm, the bottom stays nice and cool. Had to remove the thermostat because of the heating issues. It's been a bit of a struggle to keep it at a safe temperature. If you're just driving around normal, it's fine, but as soon as you start pulling up a hill, it starts climbing. So I already did some work on it. Like I said, I changed the radiator. I also replaced the fan clutch. We'll take a look at that pretty soon and take it apart. And the fan clutch was definitely part of the issue, but not all of it. So now I'm suspecting that it's the water pump. So that's what's on the agenda for now. I got me a new water pump here. So we're gonna throw that in. I've got a thermostat. I'm gonna throw that stuff in there, see if this fixes the issues. Let's get to it. So to remove the timing cover on the 3L, you have to take the dampener pulley off. Fortunately for me, it was a fairly easy task. Sometimes that can be a real bear. Put a breaker bar on, cranked the motor over, and had the breaker bar hitting on the frame rail right there. Broke it loose, and then just lightly tapped it with the hammer laying down there. And it popped right out, so that was great. Yeah, when you put the pan under and catch like 5 drops, that's what you want. Well, I'm gonna guess that's part of the problem. Wow. Let me just show you what they're supposed to look like here. So this is the one I just pulled out. This is what they're supposed to look like. Wow, that's worse than I was expecting. A lot worse than I was expecting. I'm gonna go with, I think I found the problem. Hey, next day here. Got late last night, my phone died and got full, and I don't know what all, didn't record everything. But I did get it put together last night. As you can see, everything's back in there except the shroud. The shroud had some issues. It's the original 3VZ shroud, and it had to be clipped when I put the engine in, and then taking it out this time it broke. I have not put the thermostat in yet. Since this whole system is so dirty, I'm running without a thermostat for a while. I'm going to be emptying it. I just have water in there, so I'm going to be emptying it probably about every trip I take anywhere, just to get it super clean. And then we'll see if I actually add coolant again, or yeah, how I'm going to handle it. Here we don't need coolant. I mean, we don't need antifreeze. It doesn't freeze now. So we'll see what I end up putting in. Some of the coolants here tend to be corrosive, and that could be what ate up my water pump and radiator. But it could have just been old age, or yeah, who knows what. This engine had been sitting quite a while before I bought it, so it could just be that it was sitting for too long and got a bunch of rust going on in there. So water pump's on. I took it for a test drive this morning. Definitely running way cooler. Without a thermostat, it had been getting up to operating temp in about a 2 to 3 mile drive, not pushing it very hard. Now this morning I went and drove probably, I don't know, 6 to 8 miles, and it was finally getting up to temp when I was getting home again. So it's definitely better. So I'd say that was a success. Thanks for watching, guys. That'll be it for now. Peace.